Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I was kicked out of my space where I usually film because of all the work going on in my house. So I'm in a different setting today. This room has no natural lights. I'm using all artificial light, so please bear with me. Anyway, I'm here with the new Estee Lauder Double Wear Sheer Longwear Makeup with an SPF of 19. Now, this has also been out for a little bit. I'm finally getting around to doing a review. I got quite a few requests, actually, to do a review on this foundation. All right, so it has a total of 26 shades, and it retails for $43. I was a little surprised. I was like, 43 bucks? And I guess I was one of the rare people. I do not like the double wear, like the cult fave. I don't like that foundation. And to me, I never really found my proper shade. Even when I try to work it with concealer, I don't know, I just never liked that foundation. So I'm just going to give some quick specs, not a lot. So it's a sheer natural matte foundation with up to 12-hour wear, and it has skincare benefits. The coverage is light, and of course the finish is matte. All right, SPF 30 and under. I'm not sure what that means. Everything else about the foundation, I'm going to have it listed in the description box. Now, they don't carry Estee Lauder at my local Sephora. So I purchased online. I like to purchase from Sephora because I like to get my points. I could have gone into Macy's, but anyway, I went through all these shades, and the one that sounded more suitable for me was 6W1 Sandalwood. It's described as very deep with warm golden undertones. I mean, for me, that was perfect. Very deep. Let me show you guys what they're calling very deep. This is what the packaging looks like. I like the gold cover. Nice little cute plastic bottle. All right, nice for travel. Let me show you what's their idea of very deep. Does this look very deep? This is not very deep. Anywho, so I have sunscreen on, and I had some like darkness underneath my eye this morning when I got up, and so I used my Clé de Peau concealer in Nutmeg. Do a little bit of correcting. All right, let's see here. I feel weird filming in this space. How is this very deep? This is not very deep. This is medium. I don't understand how they come up with very deep. Anyway, I guess I can build this up because it's a light coverage. So that's like this is like the third squeeze. Every time I come here, like the new neighbors across the street, they're the worst. Sorry to say it. All right. So this is what it's looking like. To me, this is like a medium kind of color. This is not very deep. I mean, don't they like test these shades on like people of color or somebody of color that worked there or something? Because how is this very deep? So because the coverage is light and it's supposed to be like a sheer finish, I'm going to go in with a brush. I'm not going to use my beauty blender. I'm probably going to use my beauty blender. I mean, my makeup sponge maybe to tap it in. I'm going to use this fan brush from Sonia G, her Lotus collection. I'm just going to put this in. Okay, yeah, the coverage is light because I have some pimples. I have 4 pimples. Yeah, I counted them. I hate them. And I can still see them. But yet it's, because it says sheer, it's not sheer. I can definitely see the coverage. So it's not sheer, it's light. It feels nice on the skin. It's like putting on like a nice lotion or something. So it's looking, hopefully when I Hopefully by the time I'm ready to do my last check-in, I'm back in my space. Because this feels weird. I'm used to my natural light. Okay, this one is, I don't think I'm gonna put any more on. So this is what everything is looking like, and I don't have the time today to do like my full face on camera. So this is what everything is looking like. What do you guys think? Okay. Obviously the shade to me is not very deep, but I think it's a very good match for me. Especially it's matching my neck. This is this is really pretty. I'm kind of shook with this. I don't know what I was expecting, but I was not expecting my skin to look like this. This is super pretty. Look at that, guys. It's cute. It's really pretty. All right, guys. So let's check the time because I'm gonna go do the rest of my makeup off camera. I hope I can do it in peace with all the crap that's going on in my house. All right. Let me find my clock. It's 11:45 a.m. I don't know how this lighting is and stuff because, like I said, there's no natural light. This room is sort of dark. All right, so yeah, 11:45 a.m. I'm gonna go finish up my makeup and I'll come back with more thoughts. But for right now, this is really, really pretty. All right, guys, I'll see you soon. All right, guys, I'm back with the rest of my face on. It's now 12:08 p.m. And wow, wow, and wow. This little plastic bottle here, 43 bucks. It's stunning. Look at my face. This is beautiful. Oh, and it feels so good on my skin. Usual suspects. I use my Fenty concealer in 390 and the powder, Fenty powder in hazelnut. And guys, Estee Lauder did that. I think I finally found a foundation from Estee Lauder that I like. Oh, I can't stop staring at my skin. Wow. This is beautiful, guys. This is so good and so lightweight. You just throw it on your face and it just, oh, it's so pretty. It's gorgeous. Anyway, guys, let me get off camera so I can go do my wear test and come back. But this is for right now. Just put it on. Just added my other foundation, makeup products. It's stunning. Stunning. I'll see you guys later for my final check-in. All right, guys, I'm back for my final check-in and I'm in a different location again. I have a lot of repairs and stuff going on in my house and I'm just trying to find a place to film. I'm actually sitting at the vanity that I usually do my makeup at every day. So I figured I'll just bring the camera in here. Before I get to the foundation, I don't know if I'll be able to go back into that room I used to film in with the backdrop and all that stuff. It was a very, very tight space. I used to force myself in there and I'm over it and with everything that I'm doing. So let me know if you guys prefer me to sit here at my vanity or I'm not sure where I'm gonna film in my house that's appropriate. But anyway, for now, this is it. All right, so let me tell you, this Estee Lauder foundation, what time is it? I'm busy running my mouth. It's 8:27 p.m. I put this on about 11:50 something. All my makeup, everything was on my face around 12, a little after 12. So it's been like a little over 8 hours about. This little foundation right here. I'm in love with it. I am in love with this foundation, guys. Look at this foundation. It is gorgeous. I was not expecting this at all. And just how they described it, and they also said it's matte. For me, it's not like matte. And I have, if you're here for the first time, I have dry to normal skin. It's mostly been on the dry side as of late. This is not like a fully matte foundation. This is a very, very, very soft matte. As you can see from my face, there's a little radiance to my face that I love. It feels like there's nothing on your skin. And as far as it being sheer, to me it's not sheer. I think there was enough coverage. You guys saw how much I put on this morning, and it wore beautifully. I also wore my mask. I went food shopping. I was in the supermarket for at least 45 minutes to maybe 50 something minutes. Who knows, close to an hour. And look. And as you guys know, I never touch up when I do a foundation review, just how the foundation wore. Where I come back and I was wearing a mask. My chin is intact. Hair is intact. I had a little movement like over here, but I don't really see it now. Maybe, yeah, over here I had seen a little movement from the mask, but everything else is intact. My nose right here where sometimes the mask, you know, raises up and down when you speak. Everything is intact. I think my skin looks flawless, guys. And this 6W1 Sandalwood, I think worked out because I think it's a great match. And I use my Fenty concealer, and girl, I'm in love with this foundation. I really am. I mean, I love the Valentino that I reviewed the other day. I just wish the color was a little different, but I can work on that. And this one, oh, it's good. This is really good, guys. So if you've been looking at this, if you've been on the fence, I would definitely pick this up. And if you guys own this foundation, let me know if you like this, how you like this. This is really, really good. This kind of slipped onto my radar. I was not paying attention to this because I don't like the double wear, the original double wear, but this is like really good. Look at this. I don't know how to angle myself. I've never filmed in this space, but wow. I don't want to move up too close because my ring light is all the way up. Look at that. Doesn't it look beautiful on my skin? This is a proper finish. It's good. I highly recommend this foundation. And as a foundation junkie, I think I've added another favorite to my favorites. This is really, really pretty. And it wore spectacularly for the 8+ hours that I've worn it. Wow. It's really, really pretty. All right, guys, that's it. And let me know in the comments, because I know you guys always let me know which background you guys prefer. The one I filmed with this morning or this one, because I don't know, like I said, if I'll be going back to that background I've had for so long. That's not working out for me. So let me know, because I can film right here at my vanity or I can find someplace else. But let me know in the comments which one you guys prefer. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. And sorry again for the 2 locations, but you know, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. All right, guys, bye.